What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another technical analysis video for y'all today. And guys, in today's video, we're going to be going over a lot of stuff. Okay, guys? I mean, the market has shifted. XRP got down to 65 cents today. So we got to go over some market structure, look for some good entry points, look for some good exits if we're trying to get out, if we're maybe trading a little bit. We're going to go over what we can maybe expect. Are we coming down? Are we going up? What's causing the markets to be all spooked? All that kind of stuff, guys. I have a lot of game to give y'all today, okay? And I'm really excited to get into it. So before we do, I gotta tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out the way, though, guys, let's get right into it, and we can just get started with XRP. And guys, XRP, I mean, it's at 84, 85 cents right now. We got as low as 65 cents today. I woke up to it at 66 cents today, guys, okay? And I mean, what did we say in the last video? We were right up here, okay? That 88, 90 cent range, okay? And we said this is a critical area, okay? What happens here is going to dictate what happens next. We're either going to pop, okay, because we thought it could have been support, major support. There's your touch, there's your touch, there's your touch. Here's your touch with your low and your higher low. And then somebody could have argued that this was going to be a higher low and it would take off, okay? And instead, the level gave out and it dumped and dumped and dumped. And what did we say in the last video? We said on the daily, if that level gives out, okay, it's either going to pop or give out. We said if it gives out, our 200 moving average on the daily, there's a good chance we'll catch it. Okay? But we also said that the weekly level is much stronger than a daily 200 average. And look what happens. That weekly level tried to pull it in, guys, and it was 2 pennies away. Okay? We got to 65 cents. This line's at 63 cents. Okay, and right now we're holding above the 200 moving average. But here's the thing, guys, let me switch time frames for you. I want you to look at this before I say anything. Okay, I want you to look at this dump. Okay, you get to 65 cents, an amazing deal. Okay, all y'all watching this, all y'all who've been watching this, we've been talking about 63-cent level, and we've all been like, man, we would love that price, right? We would love that price. Now, with that being said, does this response from that price look like what we feel like? No. This looks weak. This doesn't look like excitement. That signals to us that there's still a lot of fear and panic in the markets. Okay, guys? You got to remember, all these people lost money. They bought high and sold and realized their loss and lost money. Okay, people lost 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, depending on what crypto they were invested in. Okay, they're hurting right now. They're in pain. You think they're just gonna jump back in? Like, oh, I just sold right here. Now I'm gonna buy back in. Why would you even sell here and realize this loss? You might as well just stay in it if you're gonna take the loss. And if you know what you own, you wouldn't want to sell. Okay, you'd look at it as an opportunity to fill the bag more. All these people panic selling, they don't know what XRP is. Okay, that's why they got shook out. We are the 1%. I'm trying to tell you guys, I have 60 subscribers, guys. I'm thankful for every single one of you, all 60 of you guys. It means the world to me. To me, that's a lot. That's like me getting a subscriber a day. I've had this channel up for 2 months, okay? My first video was May 23rd, or March 23rd. It's May 24th now, okay, guys? So this channel been here for 2 months. I'm getting a subscriber a day. That is very humbling to me, guys. Okay, that means a lot to me. I'm so blessed for that, and I'm glad I can help you guys. You know, I'm glad y'all getting game. But y'all, I mean, like I was saying, all these people don't know what they own, and they sold and they sold. You guys know what we own, and that's why y'all scooped. Okay, we were savages today. We were piranhas. Guys, I woke up, I sprung out of bed. I woke up before my alarm. I was like, let me check the chart quick. I pulled up TradingView and I saw what was going on and I sprung out of bed, guys. I've been on the offensive all day. I've been in straight attack mode. Just a straight monster out here, guys, okay? And I'm not even done. I am not even close to done, okay? I'm in straight attack mode. I am on the hunt and y'all are on the hunt too. Okay? Because this is how we move. We're here to win, guys. All right, we don't move like all these people. These people bought here and then they sold, and now they're scared and don't know what they're doing. They just listen to the news. This is not news to us, guys. We talked about this meltdown months ago. That is how far ahead of everyone else we are. Do you see how early we are to this game? Do you see the kind of read we have? We have the read right now. Please find me somebody who's got a read like us right now. Come on. Come on, guys. We are killing it. We are killing it right now. I mean, the weekly level, these lines been drawn, guys. These lines been drawn because we have a read. We know how the big players are thinking right now. And that's why we are positioned correctly. That's why y'all filled the fucking bag today, guys. Okay? Millionaires were made today. Generational wealth was accumulated today. Okay, you just had to buy the correct digital assets. And we've talked about the correct digital assets, guys. XRP being the most correct of them all. Okay, baby sister, Stellar Lumen, 42 cents. Look at what Stellar got to, guys. Stellar got all the way down to, what's the lows? 27 cents, guys. 42427. Let's go, baby. Come on. The gem XDC. Look at XDC, guys. The deals y'all been getting. The low 4 cents, guys. On some exchanges, I saw that 3.7. All right. Got me thinking that maybe it could come down more. I mean, guys, is this the level right here? This isn't the level. Look to the left. Look to the left. Okay. From this area. Follow to the left. This is not the level. Okay. Now, it obviously moved up and moved up all the way, but this isn't a key level. This is the level right here, guys. 3 cents. Okay? 3 cents to like high twos right there. Okay? 2.9 cents. And if that doesn't hold, guys, I mean, look what's coming next, guys. If this area right here doesn't hold, we're probably coming down to the low 2 cents. That's where I really want it, guys. I'm telling you. We'll get back to XDC. I don't want to get too off. I'm already off enough, guys. I'm just lit today. I mean, it was a life-changing day, and we're not done. But, guys, like I was saying, the way we feel about XRP at these prices, okay, at 63 cents, 65 cents, we were like, we'll scoop it, we'll scoop it, we'll scoop it. Does that represent that? It does not. It does not, okay? It's got me thinking there's room to come down more. All right, you need more buyers. This price wasn't exciting enough for people, okay? The narrative hasn't shifted enough for people. They haven't had enough time to deal with this yet. So I think we could have more good deals on the way. I mean, this is an amazing deal. 85 cents is still an amazing deal. But I think we're going to see the 60s again. And I think, and I just put the lines, okay, guys? I put the lines before I started this video. So these are fresh from today, okay? Take this with a grain of salt, okay? It's just an idea. Don't sit here and not purchase XRP or wait. If you want to, you can. Okay, make your own decisions. I'm just putting this here for, information, for knowledge. Guys, 20 to 28 cents, 30 cents is on the table. Okay? We got to see how this weekly plays. Real quick, let's go look at a weekly. On a weekly chart, guys, do you think this is enough and then it gets bullish and goes? Or do you think this is a lot of sell volume and panic and maybe it's going to come down and play around here? Or maybe even come down deeper? Okay? This is a big candle. This candle right here is a big candle. A lot of money got involved there. If the sellers take this area out, we're coming down, guys. Okay? This is the key area. This 63, I didn't draw 63 cents just cuz, okay? I drew 63 cents because this is where the explosion began, all right? This is where the explosion began. There's the volume accompanying it, all right? And as you see, we dump down. We get close to where this explosion began, and this is all we did? Is that because of the fear of the sentiment in the market shifting? Is that why? I don't know. Is it coming down? Maybe needs more time to fill the bag? I don't know. Okay? I just know it's on the table. All right. And if this area gives out, if this comes down and plays in the 60 cent range and it doesn't do what it needs to do, if this level gives out, guys, and it's going to be tough to take it out. We got 50 moving average there. We have this massive candle here with a lot of volume showing promise for this area. Okay, guys, it's already at such a discounted price. We could just range here while they accumulate and take off. All right, but if it does give out, we're coming down, guys. Probably 40 cents. But 40 cents isn't like the level. That's just a little like a pit stop, okay? The level is right where this candle started, okay? And you see the volume there as well. So 28.30 cents, I think, is when the excitement's really going to start. That's kind of like if we look at this area here. You know how like $1.10 was like the top of the support level and 90 cents was the bottom, and the first time we came to a level we just hit the $1.10, $1.09, and then we took off. But then the next time when we came in deeper and we got into the 90 cents. That's kind of this area as well, okay? This like 28 cent range would be like the $1.10 area of this level, okay? And the 90 cent range would be like this 20 cent. So we could play anywhere in there. Maybe the first time it's just 28.30 cents, get a little or a little bounce, a little push, and maybe come back in, go a little deeper. Then the real big purchases occur, and then we take off. Because I know every single person, if they see a 20 cent XRP, is buying it. There's no way you don't. There's no way you don't. That's the only reason I don't know if we'll see that price, okay? Now, what can happen to help us see that price? Well, one thing that can happen, guys, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not done, okay? I don't think Bitcoin's ready to just explode to new highs, okay? Now, maybe it ranges here, we explode back and set a double top, or maybe we set a lower high right here somewhere, okay? All that's possible. We're going to have to keep our eye on it. But, I, I, guys, 20K's on the table. That's a lot of sell right there. That's a lot of volume on the sell. Okay, after this big red candle. Okay, this doesn't say, oh, there's a lot of accumulation here. The end of the candle had that wick, but that wick's not that big. Okay, and look how it's performing right after. If this volume was a lot of buying volume, you'd see it reflected in the next candle and it'd still be moving with excitement. Okay? Because people be like, this was a massive bounce. It's ready to take off. So, could we get a little bounce? Of course. Okay, guys, we could push back to the 40K range. Okay, maybe even 42K. We could definitely do that. There's a little area here. All right? So, that's on the table. But I don't know if this is the level we take off from. Okay? I don't think that's it. I mean, let's look at Bitcoin on a daily. Okay, we look at Bitcoin on a daily. I mean, look at those two moving averages. They're ready to come down and cross through this. All right? This isn't the greatest performance from this 30K level. It's because so much panic brought it to 30K. All right? It wasn't just your regular correction, you know, oh, it's just a day in crypto. It was a lot of big news, a lot of big negative news hitting Bitcoin and people not knowing what they're doing. And it's already overextended. All right, guys, 20K is here. It's on the table. It is on the table. I'm not saying we're going there, okay? I don't know what's going to happen. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know what's going to happen. That's why I'm a good source for you, okay? Because I'm keeping it real with you. I don't know what's going to happen. I just know this is something that could happen, all right? And we're getting signs that it's on the table, okay? We're not that far away, guys. We're at 36,700-ish right now, all right? It might not be ready to go there yet, but I mean, it's definitely on the horizon. And what I'm seeing people talk about, it looks like a lot of people are more spooked and not ready to buy right now. All right? And it shows. Look at all the sells. Look at all the sells. So, I mean, this is going to be interesting, guys. Anyways, let's look at Bitcoin on a 4-hour, okay? On a 4-hour, we got that nice wick. We get some range. We come down. Here's a lower high. Look at the volume. It's below moving average. Okay? Now, maybe there's a level right here. These are little probes, and it's ready to move. It could go challenge. That's definitely on the table, guys. Tether could be printing away right now, and they could be ready to make some purchases tomorrow. That's on the table as well. All right. But thing is, you and I, okay, people who know how to do a technical analysis, elite traders, they're not getting in right now. Okay, they're not getting in right now. They don't have signs to get in. All right. I mean, there is this wick. That's nice. But I don't think this is the time to get in. All right. Look how far away your stop's going to be if you get in right now. Look how low the volume is. Okay. I mean, this is your first target, 40K, and there's all this fear in the market. I mean, once you get to 40K, you have your 50 moving average and the 40K resistance level there. Okay. And this red candle here. Okay. You get through all this, then you got to just shoot to here. If we're just going to get super bullish like that and go up to 48 with all this fear in the market, guys, I don't know. It's kind of hard for me right now to think that it's going to go up. All right, guys. I think it could go up a little bit. I think it could go up some. Okay, there's this thing called a dead cat bounce. All right. Markets melt. Let me see. Can I get a... Will it show on a daily? Yeah, here, for example. So melt, and then you get a little bounce, and it might come up some, but the bounce doesn't come up with a lot of volume. Okay, that's one of the important factors in the dead cat bounce. Okay, it doesn't come up with a lot of volume. Let me show it to you on XRP, for example. Came down, we got to 65 cents, and then now we're at 86, almost 87 cents, guys. But the volume is incredible, okay? The way we're going up is incredible. We didn't get there fast, okay? It took like a whole day almost, okay? Or like 16 hours or 15 hours or whatever, all right? It took a long time and it was low volume. This isn't telling people this is it, all right? As of right now, we have a low and a lower low, okay? We have a low and a lower low. Now, this could be a probe. This could easily come reclaim the 90-cent level, be a probe, range here, and then take off. If we start to see a range here over 90 cents and we see buyers stepping in and the sentiment getting a little bullish, then it's a great trade. All right. But I think people are more curious about the 63-cent range because they saw it happen. It didn't get to last that long. And with the way we're coming up, I think buyers aren't that excited yet. So sellers are going to have to give them a better discount. All right. They're going to need, if they want buyers to get involved to bring the price up so they can really sell it to them up here, they're going to have to create more of a discount for these, buyers, because buyers aren't doing enough. There's not enough people participating. I'm not participating. All right. As an investor, I wouldn't mind scooping, okay? Especially if I don't have enough XRP. But I'm not like getting involved here. All right. I think there's better opportunity coming. I'm actually waiting for the opportunity. If we get to 63 cents, I'm going to make a play. All right. I'm going to make my real play down here, though. If we get to 20 to 28 cents, I forget about everything else. I forget about the gem. I forget about Stellar. I forget about Quant. I forget about IOTA and Algo. I forget about all these if we get to 20 to 30 cents. All right. I'm going to make a life-changing play here if we get there. All right, guys. I mean, it's an opportunity I never thought I'd see again. And the fact that it's even slightly potentially on the table right now, ooh, it gets me excited, guys. It gets me real excited. I saw a different side of myself today. I can only imagine what I'm going to see if we get down to 20 cents one more fucking time, guys. All right? That's where I did most of my accumulation. You think I give a fuck? You think I give a fuck if I see all the gains I made from 20 cents up to $2 evaporate as I approach my entry point? You think I give a fuck, guys? This shit can go down to half a penny. I'm buying the whole time. I'm never giving up. Okay? I'm never letting go of my XRP position. Okay? Y'all want it? I need 10,000 plus in XRP if y'all want my XRP. If it's not 10,000 plus, it's not happening. I'm going to hold on to it. All right? That's me. Okay? That doesn't need to be you. Okay, that's just me. I'm just telling y'all how I'm doing it. Okay, we come down to half a penny, to fractions of a penny, guys. I'm at a point with XRP right now. It could go to 0. I'll still buy it. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, guys. I'll just, 0, fuck it. I'll take it for free. I'll just hold on to it. It's the most advanced technology maybe ever created for humanity. It's going to transform our lives on this planet. Okay, guys? If you're giving it away for free, what happened last summer, guys? Oil went negative. Okay? Oil went negative. The oil companies were paying people to hold the oil. Hey, just take this oil off our hands. We got too much. Just take it. It was literally free money. You give me XRP at 0, I'll take it all. Fuck it. Okay, guys? I'm never out of XRP. It's XRP for life. Okay? It's XRP for life. At least for me. Okay? At least for me. I've seen enough. I've done enough research. I've followed it for enough time. Okay? I mean, I'm too convinced. I'm too convinced. Now, if things change, okay, if fundamentals change, that changes everything. Okay, guys? But fundamentals ain't gonna change. Fundamentals are too key. Remember, Rosie Rios just left the treasury and joined the board of directors at Ripple. Okay? Remember that. The lady whose name is on all the money joined Ripple in the middle of a lawsuit. Okay, guys? So with that being said, I mean, XRP at 0 cents, I'm taking it. Now, I know that's never going to happen, so I'm not going to spend too much time. I'm just trying to get a point across to you guys of how bullish I am on it, okay? And if we get down to 20 to 28 cents, guys, that's when I'm back involved. Now, if I feel that way, and I like to copy what the big money does, then I'm guessing maybe the big money feels that way too, because they did a lot of their accumulating down there as well. Okay, we can see in the past. Look at all of this accumulation the big money did. And look at my phone just went ding. Okay, so yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is 2020. All right, guys, look at this. Look how long. Look at all this accumulation just sideways, sideways, sideways. Purposely suppressed, came up quick, bring it down. We're not done. We want to keep scooping. Look at that. Just melts. Melts, okay? Holds. The bullish. This is the end of the first bull run, and then it's just in here, guys. Look at that. That's where the big money wants it, and then this happened, okay? Now, will they take it from here? Maybe. And if they do, that's fine. I'm going to take a little bit here as well. Okay, we get to that 60 cent, 63 cent range. I'm going to take some here as well. But if I'm going to really take some, I'm taking it here. Okay, between 20 and 30 cents. That's where I'm really taking it. All right, guys, because that's where they really took it. If it never gets there, oh well. Then I'll just live with what I have and move forward. And the money that I have allocated for this play here is always available to do something else. All right, guys, there's always investments. Okay? So, but you have to have your plans correct. You have to have your criteria correct. Okay, guys? You have to have what you want to do in place. And I know what I want to do. Okay, if XRP gets here, I'm ready for it. If it never happens, I'm prepared to live with that as well. I don't want it if it doesn't happen there. I mean, obviously, I want as much XRP as possible. But for me to make the next play with XRP, with how I'm positioned, if I don't get it here, I don't need to make the play. I'll just do something else. Okay, guys? So, anyways, XRP, come on down, baby. Come on down. We all want you to come down. All right. So now if I was going to make a bullish argument for it real quick, again, it's that reclaim of 90 cents. I think this gets more bullish if we reclaim 90 cents. We're probably going to push to go break $1. Okay. Probably come challenge this dollar area here. All right. And maybe even beyond. Who knows what could happen? We can win the lawsuit this week. Okay. XRP is a different type of beast right now. All right. But we just, like we were saying with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin melts, okay? If Bitcoin melts and we come down to that 1920K, because guys, 20K was the resistance. That was the all-time high. We got to 20K, okay? Hover, accumulate. We break through, and guys, we never came back. How do you know this is actually a support level? You just exploded from there, okay? We assume it's a support level because we exploded from there. But are there still a lot of buyers there ready who want to scoop more, okay? That's the question. And I think that's the answer we need to find out, all right? In my opinion. I think we're due for a retest, all right? Now, I mean, that doesn't mean it's going to happen right now or next month. It could happen end of the summer. I mean, Guys, it could happen, tomorrow. It could happen next week. It could happen whenever. That's the thing. We just got to know that it could happen. All right. And if it does, what are we going to do? I am not taking a trade on Bitcoin at 20K because I just don't care about Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin gets to 20K, I know the rest of this market is going to come down to their key levels as well. Okay. That's why I think a 20-cent XRP is on the table if a $20,000 Bitcoin is on the table. All right. I'm actually hoping for it. I want to make the play. I really want to make the play. It'd be, if I get XRP between 20 and 28 cents one more time, it'll be one of the greatest moments of my entire fucking life. All right, guys, of my entire fucking life. Probably maybe a top 3 or a top 5. I don't know. To get it one more time after everything we've gone through with all the developments that have been made, the way that I've grown as a person and as a trader, okay, the way that I think, the way that I play now, to have that opportunity one more time with all this wisdom and knowledge I've attained throughout this entire journey, it would just be an honor. It would just be an honor, guys. All right. I mean, I would truly be blessed, and I will capitalize on it. I will live with no regrets, okay? I will live with no regrets. But like I'm saying, if Bitcoin can get to 20K, that's on the table, all right? But in the meantime, the way I'm playing this, I told you I'm going to tell you how I'm playing it. I'm looking to scoop at 60 to 63 cents, all right? I already know how much I want to scoop, okay? If it comes lower, maybe I'll scoop a little bit, okay? I don't really have money allocated. I have a certain play in mind that I want, and I can make the play at this price point. And it's such a powerful level. I don't even know if we'll come here. So I have a certain chunk of money allocated for 63 or 60 to 63 cents, okay? And if we get down to 20 cents, I will then make my next play. I have another play there. If I get extra cash in here, if it does get in this price range, 50 cents, 40 cents, all that, if I have extra cash, I'll throw it in. Like, oh, hey, somebody sent me a tip, or one of y'all donated me some money for making these videos or whatever. If I get play money and shit, like I'll scoop here and there. But my next chunk of allocated money that I use for investments, I wouldn't be willing to participate till down here. All right, guys. Anyways, so that's how I'm looking at XRP. If we go up, great. We get our gains back. Awesome. All right, we had a chance to fill up, those of us who took the chance, and we're going to make more gains on the way up this time. Awesome. Okay, guys. So anyways, that's XRP. Stellar Lumens, I'm not going to really get into today, okay? It's kind of the same thing. Really, the entire market's kind of the same thing. They're all following each other, okay? There's a lot of correlation. We see our double bottom here. Little volume increase. So Stellar could be ready for a pop as well. Maybe Stellar gets to 48 cents, maybe 50, 51 cents. That's on the table. We got a moving average and a 4-hour resistance level in that area as well. Okay, so that's on the table. We got 427 right there, guys. All right, you know how I feel about those numbers. We'll go over XDC super fast. Okay, XDC. I mean, guys, my gem. All right, my gem. We're currently at like 4.7 cents right now. Okay, guys. I look to the left, and it just doesn't look like a support level. All right, guys. I'm thinking maybe down here, 3 cents. Okay, I've seen it on exchanges get to this like 3.5 cent range. All right, guys. So I mean, that's definitely on the table. Definitely on the table. But look at that volume, guys. A big buyer stepped in here. This is on 4-hour chart. Big buyer stepped in here and bought a lot. Okay, and then the sell came in, and now this is occurring. So maybe he's filling his bag. Who knows? Who knows? Let's look on daily. Okay, big dump. Wicks to the downside. Okay, we have a big wick right here. All right, there could definitely be a cool little bounce here for XDC. Cool little bounce. I'm probably going to accumulate a little bit more, just a little bit more, because I don't mind this price. I'm good on XDC under 5 cents. All right, I'm good on XDC on under 5 cents. But anyways, and yeah, we did Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. And Ethereum, again, kind of giving us the same thing. Okay, wicks to the downside. We hit the 200 moving average, holding above this 2,000, support level as of right now. But volume's low. Okay, guys, volume's low. It is Monday, so it's gonna be an interesting day. Okay, it's gonna be an interesting day. It's gonna be an interesting week. All right, guys. But with Ethereum again, we'll probably get a little bounce here. All right. If anything, at most, I'd probably say XR or Ethereum. If we get like a short-term bull run, maybe we push back to like the top of this candle here. Okay, like 3,000 to 3,300 range. Maybe if we get like a mini bull run in here before we get the next wave down of the bear market. Okay, because there's different ways this can play out. Okay, we could get a little bull market or a little bull run and then come down hard again and it gets really bearish. Like, oh, damn, no, this is bearish. Or it just stays bearish, guys. Okay, maybe we range a little bit and come down some more. Okay, we're in interesting times right now. We're waiting for regulatory clarity. Okay, guys, we got mining getting cracked down. Okay, China miners halt China business after Beijing cracks down on Bitcoin tumbles. Okay, so I mean, and like we were saying, it's all about these narratives. Okay, it's all coordinated. All right, real quick, guys. Coinbase went offline. Bitfinex went offline. Binance went offline. Kraken went offline. Gemini went offline. CMC went offline. Bitrex went offline. KuCoin went offline. Huobi went offline. CoinDesk went offline. Come on, guys. Come on. Do you see why I'm always telling y'all? Get the nano ledger. Get your crypto off of the exchanges. Guys, right now Bitrue is down. Okay, as I record this, Bitrue is down. They just happen to just out of nowhere, without a heads up, have maintenance. Okay, all of a sudden they're updating their shit. Y'all are picking the worst time to update your shit. When the markets are bleeding like this, you're gonna update your shit. This should have been announced a week in advance or at least 48 hours in advance. Hey, in 48 hours, Bitrue will be doing, service maintenance on its network or whatever, on its website, whatever they're doing maintenance on, and boom, you're good. But when you just spring it in the middle of a meltdown without any heads up, that's fishy. At least to me, that's fishy. All right. Especially with all these guys going offline. What are the chances? All right. Like I've been saying, this is coordinated. Okay. This is all coordinated, guys. Okay. That's why you need to get your nano ledger. You need to protect your crypto. You need to get off these exchanges. Fuck these exchanges. Okay. They're not our friends. They are not our friends. All right, guys? They want our shit. They work with all these whales, with all these elites to scare us and shake us out. They go offline. They suspend trading, all of that. All right? You should hold the keys to your wealth, not some exchange, okay? Exchanges go out. It's happened. Just go look up Mount Gox, guys. All right? Millions and millions of dollars lost for people. All right? It happens. If you need your ledger, I have my referral link, okay? I'm going to put it in the bio of this video. It's going to take you directly to the Ledger website. You want to buy it directly from the Ledger website, not a third party, not Amazon, the Ledger website, okay? So if you click on the link in my description, you can get your Ledger Nano straight from the website, all right, guys? And again, very important. Don't wait on it. Don't procrastinate on it, guys. Okay, because you never know what's going to go down. We have no idea what's to come. We are in the wild, wild west. I mean, look at what is going on in the markets right now. All right, just look what's going on in the markets. Anyways, guys, I think we can wrap this up. We're a little over 30 minutes here. Algo, we're under the 200 moving average, guys. Okay, Algo's under the 200. You might be getting a good opportunity on Algo here if it holds under there. All right. I mean, that's cheap. I'm going over a few others for you real quick. Filecoin, 67 cents, guys. I mean, $67. Okay? So keep your eye on Filecoin. Things could happen there as well. Gala. If you haven't heard of Gala, you better hear of it now. Okay, guys? Gala's a good one. Look at this drop, guys. Look at this drop. Crazy. Crazy. It's priced in Ethereum, so I can't, tell you how much it's worth, but last I checked in US value, it was right at a penny. I think up here is 2 pennies or something, guys. A little over 2 pennies, all right? But Gala's a good one. IOTA, $1.04. Look how low IOTA got, guys. IOTA got as low as 67 cents. All-time high is over $5, guys, and they're on the crypto map. This is a great deal. Look at that panic. Okay, we get a little bounce maybe, come down more. Maybe we just come up to here and hover, come down more. There's so much that could happen. There's so much that could happen. Quant, guys. Quant, $36. It got as low as 23.63. I got some at 24. Okay? I got blessed. I got a little quant at $24 today. Okay, this was one of the big ones I went after. Okay, I went after quant, I went after XDC, I went after IOTA. I am going after VeChain, but I haven't got it at the price I wanted. I saw it at 6 cents, but I wasn't ready to purchase at that time, and now it's at 10 cents. So I'm not as interested right now. If we get back to like 6, 5, 4 cents, I'm gonna grab a little bit of VeChain. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, my main focus for me, okay, because of how I'm positioned in my unique portfolio, I'm focused on quant and XDC. Okay, those are the two I'm focused on the most, and a little bit of IOTA. That's probably the third one. And Gala, I'm getting pretty bullish on. I actually want to get more Gala here. I'm just wanting to see a little bit better price. I want to go under a penny on my Gala. Okay, but yeah, and then XRP. Stellar, always looking at them. I'm not really accumulating just yet, but for y'all who don't have enough, accumulate, guys. Okay, you're getting a great deal. You're getting a great deal. If it comes down more, you get an even better deal and you can get more. Okay, guys, you know how to position yourselves. Keep money on the sidelines, keep generating money, and keep accumulating. Okay, even if it's just $10 here, $10 there, that shit adds up. You can average yourself in, because we don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen. We just know we need to fill the bag. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up with that. All right, I hope this video was pretty helpful. I know it wasn't super detailed technical analysis. Okay, I just had to get y'all some info, some perspective, and just get y'all lined up. I think y'all got this right now. Okay, we have a good read and we're way ahead, and we're gonna stay ahead. Okay, guys, there's room to come down. I'm telling you now, there's room to come down. Be ready for it to come down. Okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be the big tell. Ethereum is looking pretty bullish. Okay, it's looking like it's got room to actually move before it comes down. Okay, and when I look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin doesn't look as, I don't know, maybe it's just because I have these boxes. Bitcoin's probably ready to move a little bit too. All right, it's so tough because people are so panicking. All these people lost money. That's why we're just ready for both scenarios. We could get a little push here, guys, and come down. We could just come down. Okay, if we come down, we're probably coming down to 20K. Okay, if 30K doesn't hold, we're probably coming down to 20K. All right, guys, if it does hold, if 30K holds, we're probably gonna shoot up to the 40s, maybe mid 40s. Okay, it just depends on how explosive it gets. Right now, it's not looking too explosive in my opinion. Okay, guys, and with Ethereum, real quick, just to sum it up, we're probably gonna look to push to 2,500 first. If we clear 2,500, probably 20. Oh, look at that, 2,742 to maybe 3,300 range. I don't think we're gonna go back to the 4,000s. All right, guys, that's me. I personally don't think that's gonna happen. Anything's possible, but especially with a tether printer, but I don't think it's gonna happen. All right. But yeah, guys, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna keep knocking these videos out. All right, guys, I mean, I'm loving this. I hope y'all had some great time today shopping. I know I did. I loved it. I hope y'all filled the bag. I hope y'all got all the stuff y'all want, and I hope that y'all are just, having a good time more than anything. This is fun for me, guys, okay? Everyone's freaking out losing money. You only lose if you realize the loss, okay? We're not selling at a loss because we know what we own, okay? And when you know what you own, then you know why you bought it. And if you know why you bought it, you know why you want to buy more of it if you get such a good deal. And we're getting some good deals right now, guys. Let's pray for better ones, though. Come on, 20 cents, baby. Come on, 20 cents. Never want to get involved. I love to be out on the XRP battlefield with y'all. I would love that more than anything. Right now, I'm only there in spirit with y'all. But if we get to 20 cents, I'm whipping out both swords, guys. I'm running through the battlefield. I'm taking all the XRP, guys. I'm taking all of it, like every single one. Okay, guys, that's where I want it. That's where we all want it. That's where the big money want it. So keep watching that level, guys. For now, 63 cents is the key. 60 cents is the key. We want to see, is this big player right here who started at that range going to get taken out? Okay, he showed us he got a lot of money, and he's showing right now that he's holding, okay? Because we came back and there was a push. We just want to see how much money he's got. Maybe he's waiting for a better price before he really puts that money in, okay? Or maybe he ran out of money and there's just too many sellers right now because this is the craziest shakeout, okay? Both are on the table. Anyways, though, we'll continue next video. I'm sending y'all love. I'm sending y'all like, guys. You know, stay ready. Stay ready, guys, okay? Opportunities are here. Don't miss the opportunities. Don't let your fears hold you back. Don't not look at the price because you're scared to see it go down. You're not losing money. You're getting a chance to make even more money. Okay, guys? You're getting a chance to make even more money. Anyways, I'm going to see y'all at the next video. We're going to wrap this up here. All right, guys? Take care.